What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm going to share with you my people, and I'm going to run through the intro quick and fast. You know what I mean? I'm going to run through that video quick and fast. I don't talk too much. You see me? From what there some fast video I go to my people. I show me have a little issue I go on, you know what I mean? So let we get into the video my people. I'm going to look a piece because right now Rosealee look like say one but GX cause the whole like girl them on TikTok look like say them a lost off of GX. I want English me see GX with on TikTok. The English one GX. You see me? You know Annie already put in for your application and Rosealee beat Annie Toscan. Wait, you know so we hear Rosealee have to say all GX get beaten too. So we are gonna just get in with people. Jabbas, real dog, you know what I mean? Real dog confront Jabbas about, you know what I mean, them falling out and rare. We just gonna get in with people. So make we start it off, make we kick it off.
$1,000 off rankers coming in my bank account alone. I'm not talking about money that he got from YouTube or whatever other platform he put the freaking rankers on. In my bank account alone, hold on, because he what? Because him tell me and then them laugh it off. You see what I'm saying? World Dog said because he told him and he laughed it off. So I helped you with my fucking social and I'm telling you that I have to pay my fucking taxes and you freaking laughing it off. Alright, bet. So where was I? Where the freak was I? Yeah, World Dog. In my bank account alone, he received $35,000. Where Rebel said, Rebel, I can't. When me do know why everybody has share. You not do not a good post. Good post, you not do nothing. Maybe because I called your man name, child. Maybe because I called your man name. But good post, you never do nothing. You never do not good post. So World Dog. In my bank account alone, what's his name? I received $35,000. You hear me, Papa? $35,000. Yes, good push. Yeah, right. $35,000. World Dog, and let me tell you how he's not a good person and how he's so fucking ungrateful. Every time that he's ever called me to show up to set, you know, Otto has never paid me. You saw me get out of my bed. You saw me got Airbnb. One time he even said me got Portland. I am an American. I don't know country. Him said me got Portland for the freaking film. Never freaking paid me and I never asked him for a dime. This man is a user. He will use you until he can't use you no more and then you're disposable. Oh, and he don't like you. Oh, World Dog, I don't think nobody told you this, but bad mixture. Remember when he was talking about that he was homeless and you kept the bad mixture? I think the last time you kept the bad mixture, he didn't come because Swiss told him that you was gonna knock his head off. And you know what I mean by knock his head off. I can't really talk, but you had the blicky and you was gonna knock his freaking head off. So he used the homeless situation to not show up because he knew you was about to put bell to that ass. So that's why he didn't show up. Just so you freaking know. And Swiss told him that you was about to knock his head off, so he didn't show up. I don't give a damn. Anyways, where else was I? Where else was I? Guys, make sure y'all following the live too. I can't really remember all of this shit. You're gone. All right, bye, Papa. Later. Yeah, you heard what Swiss? You heard what World Dog just said? He came to World Dog and told them that I told him about the taxes and you're gonna laugh at my taxes. Oh, another thing, you coming over here talking about me. Why you don't tell him that ICE came to look for you in Connecticut? I have to tell the people them that ICE showed up at the house to look for you in Connecticut because you on the run. Why you don't tell him that you're really a fugitive and you on the run? Did you come and tell the national TikTok that? Huh? Did you tell them? Did you tell them that you don't have your papers and you walking around with a blicky? Do you want me to call the authorities and tell them that you got an illegal blicky? Huh? Do you really want us to play this type of game? Leave me the fuck alone. I don't bother nobody. Yes, bring down freaking Friday. A fugitive, whatever the freak y'all want to call it, that's what the freak it is. A fugitive. Let them know that you got a blicky. I don't know what state you in right now. I don't know if you in Tennessee, but the last time I was in Tennessee, you was walking around with a blicky. How the freak you walking around with a blicky? Go worry about ICE that came to Connecticut looking for you. Go worry about the fact that you can't take a plane You gotta be, if you gotta move state to state or city to state to state, you gotta be driving around. You can't take a plane. I could take a plane and beat me. Take a plane, and not even international, because we're not even gonna go international. Take a domestic flight. Excuse me. Take a domestic flight, Otto, and beat me. How about that? Take right now. Don't call me. 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 Take a freaking domestic flight and beat me. You're an ungrateful piece of shit. That's what you are. And everything I looked at when I was looking, because I don't really watch you. I don't really watch you. I don't know nothing about you. I haven't kept up with you, nothing at all. I was looking at the freaking screen recording, and I was like, look at sufferation. Look, oh, and everything that World Dog said about his mom, that he doesn't take care of his mom. He doesn't take care of his mom. I will repeat, he does not take care of his mom. I will repeat, he does not take care of his mother. Every single thing that World Dog came on the freaking live and chat out of his big mouth that day, it is 100% true. Another thing, hold on. Now y'all making me lose my freaking thought. I had something else to say. Ooh, and the most important thing, the most important freaking thing, Otta does not believe in Jesus. So, Mr. World Dog, when you is a man of God and you would believe in Jesus, and Otta would come up there every freaking Sunday and come I pray and come I do this and I come I do that, he does not believe in God. His father is a Rastafarian or whatever the freak is. He doesn't have a relationship with God, and he does not believe in Jesus Christ. So if you don't believe in Jesus Christ, you can't chat to me. He don't believe in Jesus Christ, and that's the most important thing that I have to say. Another thing, what else I have to boss? Oh, and World Dog, he don't like you. He don't freaking like you. He don't like you. Me, him, and someone, well, not me, him, and some, well, the whole trail we used to chat you as we sleep on the phone, child. Because every time he would come to Florida, he used to bring back news from left to right. And you see, because you've been good to me. I remember my first freaking interview. You were the first person that gave my interview on TikTok. So most of the thing that I could chat and most of the thing that I could say, Papa, I'm not going to say, and I'm just going to arrest it. All I need y'all to do is just tell that big belly man to just leave me alone. What else the freak you want from me? You already used my social. You already left me in tax problem. According to World Dog, you come big informer, the biggest. According to World Dog, you came and told them that Onella is in tax problem, and you come and laugh.
Hey, my people, you see this foreign thing, this America thing where everybody want to go and have them stay and I want terrible something, you know. You know how much people can tell, you know, some type of things where them have to go through to get them papers. I thought you used to deal with him woman before him got foreign with her, you know. As she make him actually must jump bad and go foreign, you know. And as she should have sort out him papers, and it look like say that no go on, my people. You see me I say? So you can't put no trust in a woman. You see me I say? But I don't know my people. I don't know if you say. Tell me what you think in the comments. Make watch some more.
World Dog, you told me something that you should have never told me. Now I'm gonna have to come back later on. I gotta go outside because I got shit to do. So everything that I remember from all the conversations and everything that he told me, I gotta go sit and I gotta go write it down, and I have to go come bust it up because now I'm on 10. Imagine I tell you that I have to pay my taxes, and you got the nerves to go tell Big Dog, and then you over there laughing. Guys, he did not help me pay the taxes then. Wasn't even trying to help me pay my taxes then. And talking about this shit makes me want to cry. Because if I didn't have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, I would have had to pay that $35 tax, whatever needed to pay off of that. I would have had to came out of pocket with that. You want to play and you want to laugh? I bet. You better not be in Connecticut. You better not be in freaking Connecticut. And if I was a bad person now, I could come and freaking tell. I used to come, not $35, $35,000. $35,000. Guys, I inform my gal, yes. Alright guys, I gone. and not really bust up too much, you know, because it involved other people. Y'all remember there was a screen recording of him getting beaten on a live. Who remember a screen recording of him getting beat up on a live? There was a screen recording of him getting beat up on a live. Who remember? Okay, so if y'all remember him getting getting beat up on a screen recording, that was Samantha's brother. That was Samantha's brother beating him. Beating him. And I mean, you have freaking strength for. All of these men over here, the only person they have strength for is women. I am just a girl. I can't fight y'all. I can't beat y'all. I can't do nothing. I am just a freaking girl. I tell you, is an ungrateful piece of shit. You are ungrateful. Imagine somebody you didn't grow up with. Imagine somebody you didn't know from a can of paint. Imagine somebody you met over TikTok felt sorry for your dumbass. Not only gave you their social, gave you my social, one of the most important thing in my freaking life. Gave you that, gave you my PayPal, gave you my bank account. Damn, you put me in tax problem where I was so ashamed. World, I'll come over here and come and talk about say, oh, no, in a tax problem. And I did not tell Mr. Dog that. And imagine me sitting back and saying, Jesus Christ, who told Mr. Dog? And me and Mr. Dog never have no conversation about taxes. How the freak Mr. Dog know about my freaking taxes? Imagine freaking that. Just rest me. Rest me, and don't disrespect me. Do not disrespect me. Just remember the good. No, but you can't even remember the good because you're not even a good person. Because the same person. Oh, and another thing, Jesus Christ of mercy, world dog, I wish by them. Make I tell you something. You see the reason why I'm turning back for you? Remember when he turned his back on you when you and Rosealee had beef? He turned his back on you because he thought that you was finished. He turned his back on you because at that time, everybody was saying, oh, Rosealee is the new king, the new king, the new king. And remember, Swiss was around Crystal and all of them Americans, and he was doing this and he was doing that. So because of the opportunist that he is, he threw you to the side and he took Rosealee's side because he thought that he could benefit more from Swiss. Cat's out the freaking bag. So everything you freaking came and said on that live and how you was hurt and what you did and what you said, it was the God Almighty truth. Okay? So just to know, he's a user. He is a freaking user. And everybody that he calls to come do rankers, make sure he pays you. He made $35,000 alone in my bank account. So make sure he pays you. Don't do no more free work. Make sure he run you his bread because he getting money. Not only is he getting money off the website, he's getting money off YouTube and whatever other platform it's on. So don't make him call it finna free work. All right, guys. I gone about my business now. Maybe if my head boss. And I remember that I told him that he needed to pay my taxes. Oh, Raja called me. I told him that he needed to. I got to go now.
Oh, come and think you don't know everything. Then I have to tell them.
Yes, World Dog came over here and said, Atta told him, and he was laughing, Roger. He was laughing. After $35,000 came in my bank account, I told him, I told him go to freaking World Dog and was laughing. World Dog came over here and said that.
After them take your things and put you in a problem, them want blood clot laugh about it. You don't think them people over here nice. You don't think them nice. But any one of them come for me, I go back for them neck, header. We are going to go down Manuel Road and we are going to fight. Them go look for them parents, them.
Yeah, but I gotta think about all the other shit that he was talking and all the stuff that he was talking about World Dog and combusting and all the shit that he was talking about Swiss. He don't even like you. He don't like you, Swissaroo. He don't like you. He just used you because you had the clout. He don't like you. Anyways, Roger, you could have the people them over here. I got you.
No, me no want them, you know, cause them not give me.
So, ready now? Ready?
Suck out your mama.
Listen.
Suck out your mama at
One match.
Suck out your mama. Suck out your mama.
Zuzu dance. Go dance.
Alright, go and dance. Go and dance.
One match.
Annie. young boss who that's a thumping here.
Me know you're a bigger man for heads and things, you see me? I want it for you to say forgive dog. Forgive him dog. I saw you go. I want this one of them there.
I true man, he can't forgive me, true man, he doesn't make you look so man. Oh God man.
Oh God man, me kill him man.
I true man.
You only thing you deal for the happy man.
And strength.
And strength. And where that, remember me tell you, I want it for you to give strength. You hear that? Now watch no things father.
You know if you deal.
All you hear me talk about fall off a one fucking world dog, no pussy test. None.
Yeah, I true man.
Let's say you boy violate that world dog, any boy violate that what? I don't really have no guns here, so I can't say gunshot and it's up there. Oh, you go? Yeah man, deal with him.
Akim, what Akim?
They are going 3-star, can you know me have more than 3-star sprinkle? Bumbukla! They are going to look for the people, you know? Yeah. So Jabba say I have to say.
Run dog, I don't know one of them.
No, on a program thing. I don't say dog work. On a program thing, man. No, you move Peace Street too fast. Yeah, on a program thing. One at a time, man, Jabba. So what you do, man? Oh, God.
So, I take a good time there.
Yeah, man, on a program thing, man. What you do right now, you violate the dog. You know them dog, you corrupt at certain time. So you have to kind of watch what you're saying, Jabba. You have to move slow, man. One thing, man, remember say just across what you buckle and border. That boy, Jabba, so you have to check for you, know. I'm telling man, Jabba, man. Smooth. No, man, a smooth said way, man. I wear that, I'm a dog, you know. Although I say we're not listening at courthouse couple times Wednesday, but you see me? Forgive me. I'm not listening at courthouse. Oh, I like still man. I'm there, man. I look out at people, man. I don't know what time it is. I want to hear man one sprinkle foot, man. Bumbuckle here. So where I tried it? Where I tried it, dummy? Where I tried this Peace Street? A Peace Street.
That we are work on it, not there. Somebody know where you are.
No, hear me I say. You hear me? Come and see. See, we not try, we want to bring back this Peace Street. Yeah, that'll work. But these don't want to corrupt. These don't want to blood clot corrupt.
Remember say they bring back peace, you have to do it now.
Yeah, I told
you. Say they bring back peace, that's what they work up to, you know. But say we not want to bring it back.
What no. This, Mr. No. Yeah. We don't want no peace, you know. Yeah.
We want it, man. No.
We tell you what we want. Corruption. Peace of blood clot fame. Yeah. No.
People wanna tell me wanna think, wanna see it say, wanna dare not trust them people you wanna meet on TikTok and them places there. Not everybody you click with you have to trust like say you know them long. Even the people them where you know a long time you have to know you move around them. You see me I say? Why may I tell them people? You see it? So if there was not no argument between Onel and Atto, we would know them something or Atto don't like Rosealee nor Roll Dog, or maybe I make up Onel and make it up just because she and Atto kick off. Make me know what I think with people. Make me watch some more.
Me and you talk now. Oh, yeah, them. Yeah, dummy. Watch it, dummy. Alright, sorry. Me and you talk now.
And it's me so forward. Me
and you talk now.
We are really
me and you reason now. See?
Yeah.
Boom. You get up in the morning, you see everybody have a court case. Everybody do this and everybody say what they say. So how you choose the morning to get up and beat me when me even tell about your mother or this?
And I'm morning, I'm at night.
Fuck that. No, the morning I get up and beat me, but you get up and beat me the night before. I never tell you as a friend, fuck that.
Tell them if you go on, man.
No, you can't do that. I make correct this. Hey, bomba wall. Relax your big belly, shooting belly, blood clot, thinking belly, Jabbas.
Look, you know, I beat in the dog. You never know how to go.
Yeah.
So everybody knows I beat, so I get beaten overnight, you get beaten tomorrow. Everybody beat different way, you know.
No, but you beat me alone.
No, you're mad. Everybody get it, man. A Swiss alone get none. Me say a Swiss alone get none. Everybody get it. What you screaming card? But Swiss alone me no beat.
Bro, I'm just trying to show you that it up can be nice. But and everything man have to take to heart sometimes, you know?
I know, look at that. Sometimes I'm not really take it to heart now, really. Let me tell you what we do now. We just just come back and take it too hard. I just come back and cuss like I take it too hard to get the views.
Oh.
Okay, you admit to it.
Yes, sir.
A long time we admit to it, and just now. So we have to ask them. We tell them.
So you see where misunderstanding come in. He might do it for views and world out as a talk in mind. I saw it go still. But I'm glad I can't wear it out and everything good enough.
Yeah, man, I see him where you dog. I mean, I always tell them to before me start, I tell them, say, come in, get beside clothes.
Yeah.
I tell them before me start cussing, but then I scream at a party. They might put up people with them, put up, then I put up like this man, me come and say, alright then. Yeah, then them down with the clothes. Let me take to me piece off of it. I'm talk before me do it. I'm a call, say, don't me come in, go get piece of this here.
No, you're not calling me something. No, you're not calling me, just forward.
You think it's right to bring down a person for views knowing that person is not that type of person?
Uno thinks it is right. Then if you want to get on bring me down.
No,
let me tell you.
Be fair, man. Be fair. Be fair. Don't be sarcastic. Don't be pitiful. Don't be trying to like get what people say. Be real. You do your court, discuss me, talk a lot of things. Una get the views while not doing. So me come back next man now, chant for your custom and all kind of things. Get the views.
No, but the way you go on, that was no. The way you go on, it was like you do it out of.
No, you the calm real dog. You the calmly do it, but me I feel so rough to do it. You calmly do it, everybody do it different.
Let me tell you where misunderstanding come in. Jobbers feel like say una target in business, and him feel like say since you not target in business and a banter in business, him a go out to no. So they say it's
don't always have solution to people problem.
No, because dummy is not right because me go say it.
And that's not true.
Me go talk to you.
You always have solution to people problem but yours.
Me just not have much problem.
Yeah, because a while ago,
that's why you don't really stress about it.
Right, because I don't really have much problem.
You have problem, man, because a while ago,
I don't really have much about me.
You have problem, man, because a while ago somebody jammed me live and you crash out.
Oh, cool it up here? I could never crash out or cool it up here. Word dog, friend, fuck it. No, alright, here we
Oh, so that mash up your honor. You don't drink anything else, go talk to your mind.
We think, alright, we're gonna be real, we don't know. Jobbers, we think as entertainer, we are craft the internet for years.
Yeah.
We don't think we don't have to jump in everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I really, everything we jump in, I still know. Only time I cuss over here, when people come for me and talk about me, just come back the next morning and go talk about them. They find that me not go talk about somebody.
Hold on, why we as a content creator can company up and say facts from fuckery?
True.
We always have to do certain things to downplay another person to bring up themselves.
When you come now, and I go tell me say, 18 people in my club and now go out there, people must careful of drinks we have mixed out there. Because I put things in a drink. You don't feel like we have to say about that. The scream maker did a visual, you know.
Hold on.
Oi, before you say the scream maker,
let me ask you something. See? A judge, you ever see a judge leaving courtroom and go on the street go find case to himself? Every case that bring to me, I never know about them until they bring to me. You never see a judge leave out of them.
Right there and then. Right there and then, word dog.
You never see a judge leave out of them courthouse go look case.
The judge is going to make sure it is a legitimate, factual case before he even mention it, or he might find the truth in it. You did not find the truth.
But everybody can look on YouTube and they say,
you have never seen nothing about any club in any YouTube or anything.
Not club.
Well, I'm talking about my business place. I'm not talking about
but if me and you argue now. Yeah.
People, tell me what you think. As me say, I run through it, so I don't talk too much, so I can watch some more.
And we can come next man and say, me look at the bar and say 12 people. If you want, feel away. Because
the court case was going good enough. When you were doing the court, I was there laughing all along and I do my thing. Where it took a turn, Mr. Akeem, is when you became emotional and you were reasoning calmly and was stating some derogative things about the business, bro. That's where I say, no man, them youth are really come because do the court case, them come because bring them in business. Because the court was supposed to be about
Sonia, this. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Pick up yourself, queen.
Jakes like you like Jakes. The whole of blood clot, uno. The whole of pussy clot, uno. Jakes not like uno. You know what time me and blood clot, Jayden kick the blood clot bucket to your class. Jakes in the atmosphere and Jakes don't know your from nowhere. So yeah, what kind of picture you come paint now? Evil boy. Evil look a stinking mouth boy. What kind of picture you come paint now? Eh? You ever rise to the occasion and carry slime with you? No, call you over here and diamond that's why you rise to the occasion. You ever carry slime with you? I never see you rise to the occasion yet and carry slime with blood clot, yo. Not if you gal them in a rise to the occasion and blood clot carry. I remember you fuck out them all. Eh? A clout ya look. Anyway, clout they itch up. You say you're a king. Alright, you already, you know, ride the blood clot clout, yeah. You know, ride it. Because who know do Jakes want to do me? Cause you not like blood clot, Jakes. I don't know how you come talk about, I wanna look at, when you look and see my blood clot number one. Yo. Cause the only bad man person on TikTok I use suck good boy. Suck pussy boy, you're the only bad man person on ya. I mean, all that dropping on me and Jake's blood clot tambourine. Me don't know all dropping. Let me start it. And me a come for you. Slowly but sure, 1, 2, 3 me a run up. Because I never like June. I never like June. How them people like them get married? How the blood clot this? How the blood clot this? People business anyway. I never like blood clot June. I will never like blood clot tickers. I shall give you a Rosealee. It's a stinking blood clot and the boy use me. Honey, I'll come for you later. Saggle to the east. Saggle to the blood clot east. Because Jayden they don't tell the blood. Jayden don't tell him friends of you that I suck him cock in him vehicle. No one run up and down for like madans. Don't ramp with me. Me I come back cute. Neat. And you me I come out later. Jayden not even say it. Plus I said that the message Jackson like blood clot you. Because all I want to class me. And if you feel like say my baby father, because all I want a blood clot say. If you feel like say my baby father like uno, you must say my baby father. I never say my man. My baby father. Rosealee baby father like uno make a sad blood clot mistake. So all I uno run up in a blood clot Jakes. Jakes not like uno worse. Ever no used to class me. Worse. Ever no used to class me. Door run up. Door run up. I'm not done yet. Worse. Ivany do what I want to Jakes 8 to know. Worse if you no class me, class him and class all the pitney them. Him use the FYP, him know everything. Don't feel like him just start. Him take notes. Him come with him notebook. Him take notes. Him on a puppy show. Don't rap with him a Capricorn. Him, you are general, him can't play general. Jayden, you can't play no more mind game more than Jakes. I will just away for tell you go suck your mama and tell you the things them. As you slip, you slide. Slide with him now, Jayden. Slide with Jakes. Slide with him now. You think he's ever be calm and cool and decent and like him can't mash ants? Slide with him blood clot pan. You see you don't see technical yet. Him a take it off for TikTok with you. Slide with him. I say I'm calm and decent and I play your mind game. A your ball game I play. I don't know who is Jakes. Jakes I play your ball game, Jayden. Slide with him. Worse, I come because I don't like a long blood clot time. My baby don't know me not like a long time. Slide with him. If some I play cool, can and distant, and I play a Euroman game, and I play a original ship, and I play a your favorite Capricorn in be. Not take him light, just try tread light. Come on, oh, for class, me and him daily. I know, three have look a clout and I run behind him like say, you and him my friend. Suck pussy, Jayden, my class, anybody. And them are not portion to blood clot, girl. Them are not portion. I mean, I come later with a storm. Come, don't even start blood clot talk it. But don't even want to start talk it. Me have 10 minutes to go deal with my blood clot business. Later on, when they catch me cold stove for cook my blood clot food, me don't want nobody call me and tell me done. Cause Annie, I come out for you. Cause me and you gonna rockle the boat. Cause like when you send call for me go for me. Cause like when you never want to see me in a hot girl era. A girl nice error. When you turn back the app in a war zone, me I go for my bulletproof vest, and me I go for my tank chuck. A peer hammer me I split out. So like when you turn back the app in a war zone, anyone who want to shift the app, me can shift with you know. Me I go for my bucketive, and me I roll up my tank sword, and me I put on my hammer on it, and me I go do this. Me and you gonna do this Friday. Come on, I wonder if Jess could have really left me and take you. What Jess I go with you? Me want to know what Jess I go with you, Annie. What Jess should I really go with you? What am I doing with you? Jess I left worse, Sarah. And if me and him gonna do what? Your mouth stink. One in the yam. Anywhere in the yam, it taste one blood clot. We only not brush mouth. You not brush mouth. You want every man, but you don't. You want every man, but you want every blood clot man pan the world, Annie. But you don't want a toothpaste, and you don't want a blood clot brush. Rotten mouth, woman. You want every man poop mouth, and you want every man in the blood clot world. But you don't want a dentist, man. Toothpaste a ball. Toothbrush a cry. Black as them want come out of your mouth. You need the only big one I see with yellow teeth and wanna make money. You never gonna get it technical. And you the only woman I know the on TikTok. We don't buy hair, we don't buy clothes, we don't buy all care. Nah, pay $10,000. We got to go the radish. The yellow stain from down here, sir. We do not pay $20 or $15 or $20,000. What take out the gonorrhea stain? What take out the gonorrhea stain for man I need to know blood clot it? We do not pay $20,000. What take out the gonorrhea stain and I need? What take out the gonorrhea stain for man I need to know blood clot it? You think me started? Me have my session. Me have my soon come. Me not run joke. You don't know. Later chat. The two look away. Me not run shock with you. Tell him come back. I use the boy like.
Hey, my people, and if you bill still, you know, when it come to man, and if you bill, that's what I say, every man and he want, and as he get them, he lose them, he can't keep them. People tell more what they think, make you want some more.
I use our me so cocky blood clot when I come back here. I'm gonna tell you, so when me young like you're pinning them, when me young like you're pinning them at school, me go. I never so cocky like you're back yet. Me so come.
I'm gonna need to go over live and tell ourselves make this be the last lash out because they are going to use all of these live against her. And the more she come here and she lash out and she go on like she mad and she cuss and she go on, it's going to be used against her. So so when you go here and listen and when you love the entertainment and love when she girls so you can't scream them love fuel foolishness. No, them glad me not follow me don't listen.
Listen to me. I'm sorry to say, don't tell her, leave her.
Sister not eat nothing more for the night. Remember you're still you're going to the gym. You're still going to go to the gym. Me I watch it.
Shame me not understand why them people believe say Jamaica. You know why problem we believe say Jamaica too backwards. So true we used to Jamaica where anything just goes. We not used to that new Jamaica where every one of these agencies as a social media personnel. Every agency have somebody that run off their social media. So these people believe say, oh, you do everything and it's only thing police and all of them people are rich to people when it's
Sister necessary for other.
It's just that Rosealee do it on the
Come down with the
internet.
other.
yeah, may I come down to
You understand? Yeah, so it's just that. So me now can say, yo, government give her back cash love for paying them. Them have a right to do them at the too. Because we there and see enough time. People get ill-treated by them own parents. You see, not saying that we are doing that, no, Rosealee would do that, you know. Never time it. You understand? But the government have to take hard precautions to let them go. You see, so me now, as a father, who knows the world and the internet can say, yeah, Jake's always because of she, I was put up on the internet say Jake's about to take care of the people. It's not me. Me just up on the internet again. I share about so that I share about people here in the background, all me take care of my youth there. You understand? The school in the area can talk to me, and the people in the area can. You understand? So my aim is to get on my youth then. It's not pure argument with Rosealee. Rosealee a woman and me a man. You hear that? Next one. Sometimes she go out herself and she go out herself. It's like how she know they are in front of me for me feel boil up. I have to lower me, I have to lower alone. I should do she embarrass me in front of my friend and I know. I just look on the internet but me I told it over there like I no.
RT. Yes, ask him enough time I cross Jake's with Rosealee.
Yeah man, she use that. You know it's a big thing.
My mother and my father like.
And you forget it too. I got to look at that.
I never know who was Judas. So I take it back now. No, I don't owe human being loyalty. I 2 human being alone, I owe 3 human being alone, I owe loyalty 3. Apart from my families, them 3 human. You know, you think I owe no loyalty over this? Oh, 3 people alone, I owe loyalty. You can't say the whole loyalty to blood. At that, I'm to honor now. Because when I give people the loyalty, so when them this out to the dirty blood clot, and I sit down and take it this kind and say, boy, you know, I'm loyal to the process, so I'm not pay them, I'm mad. A loyalty ends where you blood clot pass your boundaries and pass your place. That's where the loyalty ends. But I can't loyalty with me, blood clot. Make me loyal to you until when you pass your boundaries. Learn that. So now I come talk about Judas and Judas and Judas. Jesus filled 5,000 people and Judas betrayed the blood clot, man, eh? So who killed Judas? When you not stop type, don't full of page. Exactly. My dear. And them full of them type, and when they're ready for beg, them can't blood clot trying to give it always the broke ones them. Them love type, when they're ready for beg, them can't throw down no gift. Malwa, thanks. When you can't throw down no gift, when you only have keyboard and blood clot at spot, not no more. You know why I clap my tongue, maybe I want farm a deformity. I bomb my clap Maliki, people them can't ask what. One question I see girl ask, why you clack your tongue? And Maliki blacky people them? One tap is clean here, my boo. Appreciate it, said we my baby. Maliki cannot touch finger lay. When my dead see hungry, you me have to call pan. Everyone of us born in sin. If you have a friend and then say you betray the friend, remember, you know how much things that the blood clot friend they even do to people where enough people don't know about. When I about betrayal, I think when you look at it sometime as people karma. Yeah, enough thing them good they do when people probably people on the media not even fucking know about. So when they can't say this thing away about the wrong thing, more than I said what I have to say. If every day I will come with the same old famous, it's story still out now. It's still out. This world is Judas. His story still out now and they leave him now. Move the fuck along. You know up now alright. Like what up now no can't take it back. Can you can't beat me? You don't never take your money, you don't have no money, you don't have no money, because you could have never have money and sit down right a standard type without a badge. Can you see? Huh? You would have take your money and give someone. Well, people take their money and not get enough for we. So you not giving us your money, I know enough for the girl them not lose no. Enough for the girl them not lose no when you not give them. Cause people elsewhere are give them. Enough for the girl you can keep your blood clot money. Some of the money are blood money. It's not coming from a good place. So the fuck you talk about. You don't ever take your money and give somebody. Girl, keep your money for the pay your debt. But it them are gonna use and bury your blood clot. The fuck? Some of the money can stay and I come from a fucking good place. Eh? One queen want me Yanni, so Yanni is it there? Why on my for you? Click the black button. Click the picture all the side, you click the black button, girl. You have to click the black button so you don't come back on your for you page. You want me to read your comments and make, oh yeah, look, attention, you shout at love. What should I'm going to give people love and attention? I'm not even going to look at affection in me. Go on. Go school. But I go school, go fuck off all the principal. There's a fucking principal, son. So when I fuck your principal and when your mother's blood clot pay on the school fee, then the principal just rub up your money. Thank you, baby. Anna to the donut. Yeah, man, go school, go fuck principal, man. Guidance counselor, man. Thank you, darling. Yeah, man, that's how we got school. We fuck all the blood clot. We fuck all the maths teacher. Bomba clad, thank you, my darling. Yeah, people really have money for years. I still don't go via no money. No, that's all. You heard, turn off to see a girl winning. You know what I do it for you? So why your business? But I want to do it for you. I hear pum pum. No, I don't say your vagina. I hear but if I want to do it for you, my vagina, I can do it. And I ask no question. You think say I asked me to ask for permission? Yet it wasn't asking for permission.
Alright, the people. So wanna hear all them people up on TikTok speak about like them friends on TikTok. That's why I try to show and say, oh yes, when it come to like even people who you meet, associates and some of them turn friend, you have to know what you do. Because them are people here nowadays, them we put you under the bus simple and easily for nothing at all. So you tell me say we have a friendship, see, and something go wrong on the part ways, and you don't feel like say you owe the person at least for not bring them down and tear them down and drag them and expose them or something. If you no part ways, you no part ways. If you no have a little altercation, a little argument here, couple bad word cuss and couple rare, you have to expose everything about the person and try to bring them up and bring them down in the worst way. So you have to be careful of people. Make watch some more.
It was a question. I want for you to know that it's a statement, not a question. Are you dumb? Are you stupid? I don't know. I don't know why you sit down over here and them blood clot. You can't jerk me. This is my blood clot show. Me run this. Lift up them dirty blood clot Malika, then hyperize them. I don't need for beard. Why would I want to bathe? Eh? What me a beard for? Come use that tongue and beard me come clean my surface. Come use that tongue and clean my surface. Who mix up? Remember you fuck away your father from your mother. That is the biggest mix up. That's a spell. That's a spell. Every girl mix up and you have a spell I walk with. A demonic spell I walk with. Why you fuck your father? You fuck your mother, man. Why you fuck your father from your mother? Eh? Okay. I want to be mixed up. I don't want to have no demon spell I walk with. Me best. Cause them go at them too enough. I'm not real up, I'm not shock and not worth it. Them not worth it. So I'm not have to shout and kill myself and do the most. More than just like tell them one by you can't type. You can't type you know, but I me have the voice. You only have the finger. You need to stop. But girl, if you don't like where I keep over your say, you can go on in and you tell me how to stop. Cause you never tell me myself to stop me so cocky for your 3 months. Eh? You know tell me when to stop. I might show me run it how me want run it. I might ground this. One queen want me. I might show me I may run this how me want run it. My program, my surface come here. Get. But I get too enough now. Roz, you some over here chat have NG. You always admire me. Lord, you're careless. Everyone admire me. You know what I say? Girl, I see I Roz. And the black car too quick. I see I want comment section. She not rest door. What should you over here? Maliko black all 470 of them. I joke, Malika joke. One star sign, one name star sign. Banana sign. One name star sign. Exactly, if you go for your fire, you pay they do like, but no, them feel like say, me afraid of them. Me afraid of them. Oh, me I want something there. Bye bye, Gemini. Me want Gemini. Me want Gemini. What that do? What that do? Me I go hungry if my black all I know. Me I go dead for hungry if my black all I know. Come here, me I go shake me I go black you know I'm not dead for hungry. Come here. Me go black you know I'm not dead for hungry too. It's delusional. Too delusional.
Hold on, me a come.
Guys, we can't get 30k likes. Hello, the power top is screen. We need 30k likes on the power top is screen. Power top. 30k likes. Power top. Tap up the screen. On the top is screen. 30k likes. 30k likes. Top is screen. Oh, nothing wrong. I think somebody did wrong. She has one. Power top is screen. Yeah. Hey boo. Power top is screen.
The only thing is that for one blood clot dildo. One blood clot dildo.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're going to watch some more.
When your blood clot won't fail you, your pussy can help you. None of them will help you. And when your pussy fail
You know why worst thing, Jabas?
What cause all of this?
Well, I know, me I tell you why.
That brush over king.
No, me I tell you why.
Bro, that girl is that brush over king, you know, bro. I tell you.
No, I'm not that, Jayden. It's not that. The girl and King did that cuss the time and the girl called me name and me send it out to the girl. I'm tell you how it go. She did that diss me over there and I talk about, oh, me, Vanya, I want to know a fuck and cocky and she called me name. Me I say, to a woman, you cuss a man about him hood. Why you have to mention my name? Oh, it would have been if she did have a man and him cocky then and me mention fear name. Don't should have come for me brawling because I call her name. I still never trouble her. I could have clip me live and talk about her. I make that slide because we never take that as nothing. But now me I try add monster for the live so I could have add on, right? She up on the live with monster. The girl knows she not like me and she attack the things them here now. Mama add Van if you, I don't like hypocrite people. She go as far as follow me a while ago for try add me on the live like me and her a good friend when you just at this no idea. See, so when she add me on the live.
I know one thing with you. I know one thing with you, you know. You know, but you go tell them.
Yes, see, when she add me on the live, me just this monster. And then when monster jump, she feel like it good. She sit down just a look, so me just give her fair share and then she jump. So, me not understand how you follow me, you want to add me so calmly, but no, me just cuss you off and it lick a nerve. She a crash out, look.
Your pussy stink. Your mouth stink. Your mouth failure. Your pussy failure.
What your name, Vanya? Which page in the pan?
She name Ride or Die. Ride or Die chick. But look how she did. Me I go show you. Because me go back in my record, me can show you how calm she did on the screen. But when I advance, see them follow her. Tell her to turn on her request. Mama add her. When she add me, she sit down like a little girl and look. Cause she never know me that go say something to her. So when me lick her blood clot chip, she jump. She jump her fast. And not even me jump as she jump. And then watch her now over there. Watch her now. A hypocrite girl.
Look at me. See ya.
Then she makes sense.
What the blood clot you cry over this? How the fuck you cry over this? How the fuck you cry over this?
Cause my pussy shallow, my pussy not big like fear, you know. You can't manage any wood, you know. My was shallow, me can't manage it, so me have to ball.
Come hot no blood clot. Cause you got me heated.
Yeah, me not must lick a nerve. Me lick a nerve. Which girl can put me out of my character, so?
Vanny, never add him.
Add him no come, I cuss it himself. Add him.
Don't say one on.
Why rough? Every day something with TikTok.
I like to mix up from
Rent a pay in rent dear.
Rent a pay.
Rent rough. So I wish you free to lock off the request.
I don't know, so why she not come over here, so bro? If she really want cuss, bro, why she not come over here, so?
Every day I get a new enemy. I hear worst thing about the situation, I never met trouble, I just run her off.
Jabas, why you try in our work?
No, bro, listen, bro. Me that try if make it add me without. Uno part of them add about him. I decline it.
It's free.
She's afraid. I'm going to tell her she jump. And I'm tell her, and me, but Uno idiot to you tell me if you add him, and when me I look for Uno same time, Uno in a match, Uno the power life with you.
No match at you, we add Diamond and Dummy, come here. Dummy, they want dumb.
Because when me can't see Uno fi had Uno, because Uno in a box full. So I saw come when me start class him now, me start on him first, because I know she loud in a me.
I know say made out on back friend, because I post one song on my page a while ago on TikTok, and I tell people, say, best me and Vanny turn back friend. Yeah. But then they're not going to listen to
hear you say my friend Annie because Rose or something that go cuss. Yeah, go on like.
No, I never message Jayden, sister.
No, you see it. You said me that watch you live. I asked if me gone, but my name gone. Me did it right over Jayden. The girl cover, the girl afraid, that. The only thing they can talk about is stinking pussy. That's it.
That's all them can talk about big pussy.
Yeah, thinking pussy and she a New York mattress. I say people them over here tell me say she fuck out. She fuck out of New York.
Yeah, fuck a New York mattress that be true.
Nah, come.
Alright. I can't do this, Jayden. I can't do it. You see, if me know say me a hypocrite, me I go forever be hypocrite. Me not go chat nothing bad about a girl today. I me laugh up with a girl tomorrow up on the screen. Me will tell you as it is. You see how she did a class me when she did a cuss king? How the fuck you want to add me on the live now and just cool like say never did a style me what year? Girl, you're too hypocrite.
Me not play them the game, bro. If you not like me, you not like me. If you like me, you like me. If you don't know me, you don't know me. But not diss me, I want to come like me and you're cool.
But if you come and like with them, bro, where you cuss by yourself at? Stop cuss by yourself. Sivania, come and tell her your mind. Where you over there cuss by yourself?
Me even did I watch Jayden live when the people them say, here comes Vani in 3-2, and I still never click
go
like
right there, go tell right there, if you add and tap one like you might get.
I still never click like
See girl, yeah. Come tell the girl of mine. Me can't take it.
Bro, I can't know say them girl in about in a real life, bro. Tell that, bro. Them girl about in a real life, bro. Them just a view Sherlock, you know. A view Sherlock, man.
Jayden, don't me add me.
No, sir, don't me. Watch you know. Tell dummy so we go add down. Tell dummy we go lick out down a battle wall. Tell him.
Adam come on, ask him say after run up in a donia, just run well. Adam know me say.
Hold on, Van.
Adam, can we start wanna mix up, you know? You see? Adam.
Hello, who's this?
The Dante.
Where you want to keep it all like clothes for yourself?
No, bro.
I don't want anything, you hear me?
Go
and eat your mother.
Yeah, press accept.
I'll come up from my blood clot one.
Them are going.
Yeah.
Dummy.
What?
Jabasa say, how the fuck you and Donia Fred all along? And the people they want you, I drop everybody for Donia and Donia come up for and drop like a ball. That Jabas over here to say,
no, so them bench me so
Jabas.
Listen, let me tell you, Vani. So, let me tell you. So, them bench me. So,
let me tell you something.
We go back to your whole people.
Anything you have to tell a man, not afraid if you look on a man and tell him, not going to get afraid of a man. Nobody use somebody else's name to tell him.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Vani, put on your wig.
Bumbo club.
Oh, am I?
No, man, Vani. Me think you're interested.
Oh, God.
Vani, tell him where you come to tell him. I wasn't afraid of him.
Dummy, you did have a click. You did have a second click when you Kitty, Willie, and the next. I want next.
No, me still have a. Me full of
click. Me see your ex-wife over here try it.
They're gonna want private. They're gonna want private.
Every time I see her at Jayden, your wife, she at Jayden. Every minute me see her up on the live with Jayden. She like Jayden.
And Jabas too. I cool it up is your name.
She probably try to get back to you. Woman do that when they want back the man, but then I know if you get back your man. So then go through the man friend them so the man can add you.
So Vani, why you not follow me back?
On the live. Follow. She want to get back to you. So feel me something.
No, let me tell you.
She don't know if you do it, so she have to go through Jabas them hopefully one day when Jabas add her, you probably depend the live.
No, it not go work. It not go work.
Me not go do that, but me not go work.
That's so she probably try to get to you.
No, it not go work. It not go work. So, me see
what I mean, bro.
As I say, my people, I deal with that one quick and fast. So let me know what you think in the comments. Make you watch some more.
Bro, when that woman left, don't know nothing like a dog. You can't be cool same way, bro.
I can't believe Monster really do that. You know if you do that for true, man.
How am do?
At this time, man, the woman really not seem for true in the woman angle fear business. I'm not try to figure out life. I too special you want to go buy. Better you come on TikTok come say guys I can't give me $100 for buy too special. You don't get it.
Why Vani?
Come and bring down the woman son and talk about shot. That not look good. That's coming true. From a man, you know, that not look good.
That's true. Vani, but me not
TikTok police we go be friends.
That's true. Vani, me not tell no lie though. You warm without a wig to pussy cloud.
It's a lie.
Woman is a Vani if you have a jeans string turn back with you. They might just stinky people like the comment section you the undefeated your fuck. They might answer.
How we did it, Fever?
Somebody said Rosealee look like outside.
Eh?
You think of Jayden? Me here cause Jayden make the woman so.
We did it, Fever.
Yo. She too bad man you.
So come between them, I two of them on screen again.
They might be friend next week.
Next week I keep me till tomorrow. So what make you black blame them, Jayden?
Huh?
Come no car rent. You
might try to take piece of my hype, you know, in week one thing now go beat again.
That focus.
I true can you come here and take away all of them and clothes.
True? What him there?
I saw somebody miss a win big match and still drop father. First give double. Blame them lose and I blame them still win to pussy clad, no?
Jabba said, see man no cock up in a Jayden city last night.
When I come first, I think I said alone in cap up. I know me bet too. Chat, first give double.
Chat, use it up, use it up.
Chat, first give double. Beg on something chat on the phone.
Yeah, when since man come on the internet, I tell people about how girl shot them. Cause suck out them mother big pussy boy and girl alone. The girl I get good chance.
Big pussy waist girl, I've career. Dog shit. Suck pussy girl, a reputation, go suck out them mother. Ah, big pussy girl. You smarty Vanny. Ring out your mother girl. Your reputation, big old girl. Suck your mother. How are you? You smarty? Lift up.
Blood clot, dirty boy, low diamond alone, crosses
Come
boy.
on, please.
You see girl look good and the girl live life and you come here. All you New York mattress, go suck your mother to girl.
Oh, suck out
Go suck out your mother New York mattress. Boy, we Vanny like me and your friend. Me know you're from somewhere, go ring out your mother girl and go. Suck out to the mama, I told no dirty blood clot dog shit. Go where you run for, you should run dog shit. But tell you I tell you say today, me I bring down the whole on a blood clot because this big thinking pussy girl, they pan life, but what Vanny there? Mama Vanny, you think you did safe to dog shit? Why you think you're safe? Low blood clot diamond alone and go ring out the biggest part of your mama boy. You know say diamond did shot you before diamond find man. You know say diamond shot you. Thank you. You never know say diamond shot you before diamond find man. And I get blood clot princess treatment. You want come now like you want this woman. How much time you got a doctor go cure whatever infection you have, batty boy? How much time you have to go down to the hospital go get your medication them and we never know. You probably have blood clot. The doctor go to give you 3 business days for live. And you come here so go like you want style woman, can you see woman I get good princess treatment. Yeah, me never man can be careful of the man them wanna deal with because them bad mind people.